Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Actually, this is past 4, 20 minutes after 4. What do you want, Fife? My microphone. You have your microphone. Use your own. Fife, use your microphone. So I'm still at my sister's place. Like, she needs an helping hand so seriously. So I'm still here. I actually quickly went out. Don't mind this cap, I'm still on it. I've not even removed this watch. I went out and I just got back in not quite long. So I appreciate everybody, all my subscribers. Thank you all. But I posted a video recently about YouTube, how to start your YouTube and grow your YouTube, and I noticed that stand up. And I noticed that a lot of people watched that video, which I'm happy about. Though not many people, but at least people have watched the video, but you are not liking it. How will you? Over how many hundreds of people watch a particular video, and I'll be seeing just 10 people liking the video. Whenever you watch video, you can only encourage me by liking the video. So guys, I want you to like the video, hit the like button anytime you watch my video, any of my videos. If it's interesting, if it's not interesting, and especially when it is interesting and you learn from it, always hit the like button. And I appreciate all those that liked my video. I appreciate. I'm very grateful. And those that dropped comments, thank you. I'm also very grateful. So what will we be doing today? I don't know yet what we'll be doing now, but this whole house is in a mess. I need to tidy up. I need to clean up everything. Baby's sleeping right now. So like, okay, for you that don't know, she just gave birth and she has this sweet girl and a little baby who is sleeping. So that's why the more reason why I came around to help and assist her. So where's your pants? Your bum bum. You're showing my viewers your bum bum. There's viewers discretion here. So since she saw me using this microphone, she has not allowed that microphone to rest. See her holding it like toy. So yes guys, I hope the microphone is working. So now would be going to, okay, my sister just came in, she went to get something, so we'll be doing something that I guess we want to cook now. So come along with us and let's see everything good. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like it. And I have hot gist for you people later, but don't worry, let's go and cook first. Because they used to say, my people used to say, someone cannot be hungry. I used to say it. Maybe you can buy your car me or be something like that. You cannot be hungry and still say you want to, you have one talk to talk. You first go and settle your stomach. And so that's what I want to go and do right now. So I'll see you guys. Sing and dance. You're not dancing. Yeah, so guys, we're in the kitchen. My sister is trying to wash pepper to cook. You guys say hi. Hi. So yes, she's trying to wash the pepper, and I think we're cooking. What are we cooking? I want to prepare stew. So join us to cook our stew. Yeah. How do I do?
There's nothing to be done here because she has not brought the tatasi. She'll bring tatasi and she'll let me to go and grind.
And then I'll wash the lamb, cook with washing plate. We want to clean. She wants to clean the cooker while I would wash the plates. And what else do we do? I think that's all for now. Because I thought it's a hand. So his leg I'm carrying up as hand. I put one hand in the last hand. Yeah. I did not tell you, I put your hand inside. Mama. what?
Why did you worry so sad?
Vertical what?
This is shit. You don't like it like that.
Okay, I thought we were not back of it. So yeah, what do you want? And she might be hungry.
Mama say bye. Good. Touch your nose. Your eyes. Yeah. Show me your fingers. Your fingers. Yeah. Touch your head. Cover your face. That's a baby fingers. Your fingers. Oh, these are my fingers.
Milk. The water is liquid now.
The water is liquid.
Say thank you, mommy. The milk is liquid. Hey guys, so while me and my sister are cleaning up, we're discussing about something, a particular issue, and I just feel I should share it out there and get your opinion. Let's know what you think about it. Now it's about these Deeper Life members, people. I don't know what you think about when you hear Deeper Life members. Please, I really need comments. I really want to get feedback from you guys. When you hear Deeper Life members, what comes to your mind? Now, I'm a Deeper Lifer. I was born and brought up in Deeper Life. Yes. Even till now, my parents are pastors in Deeper Life. But seriously, I must tell you the truth that these people are overdoing some things. And that is not what the kingdom is all about. Why is it that when you see Deeper Lifers as bosses, when they are your boss at work, or when you see them as your landlady, they always make life tough? Why? Is that what the Bible teaches? See, I don't have issues with the founder of the church. Pastor W.F. Kumi is my favorite daddy. He's my father in the Lord. Come what may, any day, any time. He's my father in the Lord. But you see these members and some of their pastors, the way they are taking this thing is way too high. Kilo day, kilo shele. Now, let me tell you, there was this situation of a friend of ours gave birth. Before they gave birth, while the wife was pregnant, they were looking for a house, like an apartment. So they got this apartment, and the landlord happened to be a Deeper Life member. Maybe he's a member of the pastor, I don't know. Do you know that when that wife gave birth, they wanted to name the child, they wanted to have the naming ceremony of the child. This man started giving rules and regulations. Just because they don't do naming ceremony. Some do now. Some do naming ceremony in Deeper Life. But if you see the way this man was frustrating the whole thing. Now, he said, we wanted to wash plates. The man said, we cannot fetch water from the tap. We cannot use the water from the storex. We should go and draw conga. Okay, this couple now said, oh, daddy, there's no problem. Let's buy petrol. We'll pump. The tank was already full at that time. So it was like, okay, if they use the water, they will pump and we'll refill the tank. The man said, no way. The man said, we cannot use speaker and microphone and all those that we have to do. Do you know that naming was done on like low key? Like, if you know that you don't want these people, you should have told them from the beginning. Or you should have just been, what did they used to say? Is he employing, Abi, getting tenant, Abi, how will I say it? You should have just announced that you want tenants from Deeper Life alone. Stop making life miserable for people. You can't win them to Christ that way. If you are a boss at work, issue, problem. Is that what the Bible is? Is that what the Bible teaches? Is it discipline? What will I call it? Because I don't seem to understand. You use your own principle to
You're forcing your own.
Thank you. You're forcing your own principles on other people. This couple almost cried. It even wasn't the institution. Some of their friends that came to drink, that brought alcoholic drink, those ones were even drinking outside. Did not allow them to step inside the compound. Me, I would say you should have given those rules. These people are not your members. So you don't expect them to lead. Everybody is following his own doctrine. It is true we're supposed to follow one doctrine, but the way Christianity is now, everybody just doing his own. So why? Don't force some things on people. These people didn't enjoy their naming ceremony just because they rented an apartment in a Deeper Life house. Abi, they rented an apartment from a Deeper Life landlord and landlady. I don't understand why. It's so painful and so disheartening. Please, seriously, I don't know. Maybe daddy needs to talk to this. Like, I don't know. I don't want to say anything that is too far. I don't want to say anything that is too much. But seriously, this issue, if you're a Deeper Life member, I don't know, try to be calming down. That's what I would say. And followed what Jesus Christ will not do that. Will Jesus do that? Okay, fine. What you're trying to say is if they shout, if they blow the whole naming up, is against the Bible, Abi? Is a sin. If that's what you're trying to say, what I'm saying is you should have just told them before they came into the house. You should have just told them before they rented their apartment and stop making life so unbearable for them. Please take note of this while we continue doing our work. I need opinions, though. I need your opinions. Like, I need you to say things and let us know what you feel and what's your opinion about it. And the parlor, in the sitting room now, I want to clean up this place. I don't know where to set my camera. Where should we set to the perfect angle? There's no need. What happened? She poo-poo. Come and play in your potty. Are you peeing? That's no come and shake Ori. When do you start shaking it?
Have you peed?
Yes.